In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to change your location on YouTube TV. Whether you have moved to a new city or you are traveling and need to update your viewing area, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, launch your YouTube TV. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Head over to the option settings. Now here you're going to find different option. Go to the option area. Here you will see your current home location. Click update next to your home area and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your new location. Keep in mind that you must be physically present in the new location to update your home area, as YouTube TV uses your device location services to verify where you are. It's also important to note that YouTube TV only allows you to change your home area up to 2 or 3 times per year, so make sure you're updating it only when necessary. Many users wonder if they can use a VPN to change their location. In most cases, this won't work because YouTube TV uses GPS and device location data in addition to your IP address to verify your location. So this is how you can easily change your YouTube TV location. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.